Hello, Star. Welcome back to class. I'm so excited to have you again. In our previous class, we talked about sounding and writing of letter R and letter B. Our topic for today is making the phonic sound of letter R to letter D. And we are also going to associate them with their corresponding objects. Now, I want you to sit down like a star and sound these letters with me. Letter R. Letter R. Now, what letter is this? Awesome! Letter B. Letter B. Letter K. Letter K. Letter D. Letter D. Now let's associate them with their corresponding objects. R as in apple. R as in apple. B as in ball. B as in ball. K as in cup. K as in cup. D as in dog. D as in dog. All right. I hope you have learned a lot today. Good. Do not forget to attend your quiz and do your assignments. See you in our next class. Goodbye.